Alright you guys, so I'm trying something a little different today. And upon suggestion by viewer Scott, got a new camera angle here. Just a little pop top. Rusty old bottle cap. Well, it started raining a little bit, guys, but I'm still out here. I just found me another penny right here. Alright, and just as I was getting up right here, my detector landed right on another penny here in the grass, right on the side of the court, right on the surface. I just pushed it up and pulled it up with my finger. Okay guys, got another penny. Alright, I don't know if you've seen all that, but probably didn't. Again, right by the edge I found a pop top and a penny. Alright you guys, check it out. Just found another toy car. Should be. There we go. Little off-road buggy. That's cool. Alright, let's see if there's any more around here. Let me get the pinpointer out. Well, yep. Look at that. Land Rover Defense. That's awesome. Look at the little stuff. Alright. See if there's any more. Some little kid. Very sad. Now, piece of foil. Oh wow, what is that? Oh, look at that, guys. We're recording? Yes. Okay. Found me a piece of, looks like, junk jewelry here. Look at this chain. There's so much chain. It's huge. And this heart pendant, it's all rusted. I'll have to get this all untangled and cleaned up when I get to the house. Alright guys, we'll get back in a minute. Alright, just poking around the pinpointer around this edge again. I found another, I found a dime actually this time. Got a dime. Well, it started raining a little bit, guys, but I'm still out here. I just found me another penny right here. Alright, you guys, just found a nickel. And see what else we can get out of here. Piece of pop top, guys. See, folks, this is a good reason why I'm out here today. Look at that. Oh, I got it. I mean, a thumbtack. How does a thumbtack get on a beach volleyball court? Good morning. No, no, no. Hey, little gorilla. Why are you being bad, huh? Come on, you want to say hi? I'm sorry. Little guy. I hear you. Hi, little fella. He just wants some attention. Right, he didn't even want to get petted. He ran all the way over here just to look at me. You too, guys. It's okay. I got a big pit bull. I'm not afraid. Hey, girl. Hi, girl. Hi. I just let her sniff me out first.
Coco, come on.
I got a big old pit bull at home. Oh, yes. Oh.
You're such a big baby.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's all right.
Oh my God.
I guess I just got that personality. Hi, you want some petting now? Oh, now you trust me? They're like, oh, the big one's okay, so I'll be okay. Oh.
Oh my God. Lonnie and Tyler. I know. Look here. Like I kind of like this now. Okay.
Right.
We're just going to do whatever we want to do now.
Oh.
Coco, calm yourself.
You guys adopt?
Huh?
Did you guys adopt?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I did too.
Okay.
Yeah, so did I.
Oh, you got a pit bull?
Yeah, I got a big old pit bull.
That's my best friend's child. She likes big dogs. I was terrified of big dogs, but this is the sweetest.
Yeah.
She acts like literally like a newborn child. She wants to be rubbed. She tries to get in your lap like she's small like him.
Yeah, mine's bigger than that. It's a big blue pit bull, and he's the same way. He's
baby.
like all up on me and always want to be next to me, and it's just like, ah.
It took me like a few times to even bring this one over.
Look at that.
I don't.
Look at I do it for the metal detecting, but this is cute. Look at that thing. Oh, he is like a little baby. He's just like.
Baby. And that's how that one tries to act. She would do the same thing.
Oh.
I didn't understand, and every time I put her in the mirror, she's like, "No, I'm not cool." I'm not big. I'm not big.
Yup.
All right.
You guys have a good one.
Bye.
Bye. Capri Suns. Nice if it would have been full. I'm a little thirsty. I'll take that out of here. Well, looks like the sun's coming back out pretty strong. Good, but bad because now I'm going to sweat. But glad it stopped raining so hard. So pop top. Another dime. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whoa, okay, I'm out of here. Don't get angry. Uh-oh. Alright guys. Almost got killed by the Japanese cicada killer. I don't really know. Look at that. That's a little race bike. It's a race sidecar. Alright. But managed not to die. I don't know if you can see him. Found another penny, guys. Okay guys, look. I just found another toy truck, and this one was like way down here, buried. As you can see, there's still about another 2-3 inches plus the whole pinpointer, and it was buried up to the front of this truck here all the way. So that was a good like 12 inches, maybe 10-12 inches, or well, yeah, about 12 inches. Alright guys, check it out guys. Found a little plastic sand scoop mold. Didn't turn out so good, but you got there for a kid.